Hello there. This is Katie again. Let me just get my chair out of the way. So this is a session to do after you've had a tough shift or a tough day at work to just help the nervous system come back down into a more resourceful state as you're ending the day. So please do this one standing, help that energy to come get released from the body. So first, just look down at your body with your eyes open. I'm going to take my glasses off for this. If you have yours on, please take them off as well. Look down at your body with your eyes open and just notice what sensation you're feeling around whatever day it is that you just survived. And congratulations, you made it. And now let's get that nervous system to come down. So notice where you're feeling it in the body and then start to move the ball in the low position, saying the colors either side. So you want this to be down below hip height, just watching the ball take nice deep inhales. Notice that sensation in the body. Just acknowledging to the body. You can even say out loud, it was a tough day. It was a fucking tough day. If you need to drop an F-bomb, drop an F-bomb. Just let your body hear you telling the truth. Let it know you're acknowledging it. Moving up to about the belly button level now. Nice deep breaths. And you can even move your feet back and forth a little bit. If you're feeling a lot of energy, if you're feeling really revved up, just allow your body to move a little bit more with that. Maybe you want to sway with the ball. Maybe you just want to stay still. Totally up to you. Just giving you options to help get that energy out of that body. Just acknowledging how it feels in the body. Any tension, any stress, any angst, any feelings of bullshit about anything went down. Just acknowledging it in the body, connecting to it. Nice deep breaths. Moving up to the solar plexus now. And if there was anything, if you're a first responder and you're watching this and there was anything really scary that went on, just allowing your body to feel it, acknowledging it, welcoming it. The more we can let these uncomfortable sensations be in the body, the faster the body is going to let them go. And acknowledging yourself, you made it. You made it out of whatever scary situation that you were put in, and you're here. You're at the end of your workday. You made it. You made it. Letting the body feel it. Letting the body feel it. Nice deep breaths. Moving up to the heart now. Moving up to the heart. And again, invite you to do extra movement if that feels good. If it feels like too much, by all means, just keep moving the ball. Nice deep breaths. And as we have the ball at heart level, start working on having that exhale be just a smidge longer than the inhale. It'll help the body get into a more relaxed state quicker. You made it through your shift. You did it. Good job. Good job. It was a tough day. Letting the body feel it, letting it tell the truth. Noticing the sensations in the body. Let the story go in your head and really notice how the story feels in the body. Really pay attention to that sensation. Moving up to the throat. Nice deep breaths. Let the exhale be a little bit longer. Moving the ball whatever pace works for you. Nice deep breaths. Nice deep breaths. You made it through a tough day. You made it. It was a tough day. Maybe there were times you weren't sure you were. Maybe the frustration was high, the anger was high, the amount of bullshit you had to deal with was high. We all have those days. Just letting it be there. Let it be there in the nervous system. Acknowledge it. Moving up to the eyes now. Keep taking those nice deep inhales and exhales. Staying in it. Feeling it in the body. Tough day. Tough day. Let yourself acknowledge here whatever happened, whatever stress, potentially maybe you had what felt like a life threatening moment, and if you are a first responder, that is 100% possible that that's happening. Maybe you are a civilian, but you got in a car accident today, and that felt like a life-threatening moment. Just let the body feel it. Let whatever your truth is be your truth. No judgment, just being in it, up overhead. And now, what's possible for the remainder of this day? Is it possible that you can leave that stress behind? That you can leave that fear behind? That your body's feeling so much better already just because you started to acknowledge how you felt, just noticing what becomes possible for you when the ball is up overhead like it is right now. Feeling that possibility. Feeling that possibility. Nice deep breaths. Give me one more big exhale. Being in possibility. Now bring the ball all the way up. Another deep inhale, exhale. Inhale, heart center. Exhale, puts the ball down. All right. And then coming in for the infinity, just checking in with yourself really quick first. What's changed? What stayed the same? And I may be in the middle of my day right now, not that you guys would know as I'm recording this, but I'm focusing on some stuff too, and I'm actually feeling a little lighter, a little lighter. Thank you, cognitive movement. All right, starting the ball at either side. And just a reminder, you're going to want to stop, not necessarily in time with me, but any place where the eyes feel tight or you notice double vision or the vision get blurred. I want you to really spend some time there. Nice deep breaths. And I'll give you an example, bringing it into the nose, back out again. If you feel that tightness, or if there's places where your eyes literally don't want to go, something else you can do is look forward and still be looking at the ball with your brain and just ask yourself what's there. What about this day was really hard to look at? Answer that for yourself and then let your eyes go back. Moving it in and out like this. Nice deep breaths, just letting those eye muscles stretch, relax. Moving any place where you feel that tightness. I feel a little bit up here. You may be at a different pace. You most likely are. Continuing the infinity if you don't feel any tightness. Nice deep breaths. Place one hand on the belly to just help remind yourself to get that diaphragm breathing. We don't want to be in the chest. That's going to continue to stress. We want to take deep belly breaths as we do this. Nice deep breaths. Nice deep breaths. Wow, I got a lot of tight spots. You are probably in a different place, but acknowledging, letting yourself work out those tight spots. It's okay if you're not in time with the video. You can keep working it out. You can replay it. You can pause it. Just really focus on that sensation as you're clearing the eyes, wherever that was, that rough day you've had. You had a shit day. And now, as we're going around the infinity, I want you to go back, and this may be harder to find. Go back over all the things that went well for you with this day, with this shift. What were the things that you did well? Where did you show up for people? Where did you show up for yourself? Where did things come together to help make it easier, even though it was still a shit day or it was a tough shift? Just noticing, did you do well that you can take with you? And even if it's that, maybe you kept yourself from snapping back at someone who is being rude to you. Take the win. Take the win wherever you have it. There is no win too small. Just let yourself feel this tough shift, rough day. And just acknowledge everything that went well. All right, next time the ball is in the up position, after you have acknowledged that, go ahead and put the ball down. And encourage you to do some figure eights, do a little bit of going up on the balls of your feet, letting the heels go down, little neurological bump, help clear it out of the system. Continue to do this video again if you would like and you want some more support. Good work and congratulations on making it through a shit day. I'll see you soon.